Have you ever wondered what are those people doing whipping around those long ropes in the gym? And what can they do for you? Today I'm going to share with you 5 benefits of battle rope workout and why you should be considering incorporating them into your weight loss routine. Coming up. Hey guys, welcome back to Find Your Max channel, where we will be helping you to get started from 0 to 1 on the journey to the best you in physique transformation. Today I want to share with 5 benefits about battle rope workout and why you should be considering incorporating them into your workout regimen. Alright, so the first benefit I see is battle rope workout is a full body workout. What I mean by that is it doesn't just train your arms, it trains your whole body. It trains your shoulders, it trains your back, it trains your core, it trains your legs. Depending on what kind of exercise that you can do, depending on how advanced you are, okay? But definitely, even with the beginner exercise, battle rope workout is one of the considered a full body workout. Alright, so the second benefit is that battle rope workout, it will increase your heart rate faster. And because battle rope workout, when most of the movements, it's upper body predominant, what happens is upper body have smaller muscle group compared to your legs. So your heart, you're gonna feel that burn much quicker, and your heart will actually have to work harder to pump all this blood to your upper body. So your heart rate will elevate much quicker, and that is a good thing. The benefit 3 is because battle rope workout is a high intensity interval training. Studies have shown high intensity interval training have great result in weight loss, and battle rope is one of the really classic interval training tools that we can use in our toolbox. And with high intensity training, the timing is a lot shorter because you're not able to do explosive for like a full hour. You can get a great workout in 10 minutes. So if you are short on time, you really have no excuse, because guess what? There you go. All you need is 10 minutes. Alright, benefit number 4 is the fact that battle rope workout are mostly low impact. Like for myself, I have injured my knees, both of my knees when I was younger. I dislocated my patella once. I had a huge impact on my other knees where it was swollen. So like now, like even if I go running for a long period of time, even though I lost a lot of weight, but my knees are still not able to handle all that impact. So for battle rope workout, you get a great workout in, but without hurting your joints, especially your knees, where if you're a little bit overweight, you're gonna feel that weight on your knees most of the time, and it's not going to be very comfortable. So battle rope workout, it can actually avoid that. Alright guys, the last benefit is time saving, okay? You can save so much time and get equivalent or even better workout in compared to normal cardio when using battle rope workout, because of all the things I said, right? It is a full body workout. You're incorporating all your muscles in the body, so you're actually burning more calories in the shorter periods of time, and you're elevating your heart super quickly. You don't really need to waste a lot of time on trying to raise your heart rate up. And because we are raising it to about 80% or 90% of your maximum heart rate, which you'll get the most effective fat burning effect. And because it doesn't just train your cardiovascular system, it also tones your muscles as well, because you are, and trust me, when you actually be doing one of those workouts, if you've never done it before, you will feel your shoulder like burning the next day, like you actually did some resistance training, because there'll be more calorie burn to rebuild the damaged muscle, and that is a good thing. That will help you burn more calories. I hope today's video helped you understand more about battle rope and why is this super important to incorporate them into your weight loss routine. I can assure you, if you start incorporating battle rope workout in your routine and you're actually focusing on getting the movements right and making sure that you're actually elevating your heart rate properly, doing everything properly, you will see results. You can check in the video down below on how to use the battle rope if you have never done it before. That will help you to get started, okay? Peace.